Hey guys, it's Dave here. Today, I'm going to be discussing the SVBony SV105. The opinions in this review are that of my own. The main factors I look at when reviewing products are popularity, quality, price, durability, and lastly, verified buyer reviews. If you want to check out the price of these products, you can view them in the links in the description. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and content. And now that that's out of the way, let's get started with the video. The device being relatively small at just 9.6 ounces, the SVBony SV105 telescope camera offers several features that are commonly found with similar camera systems. It should be noted that you use a computer with Windows, it requires the Sharp Cap capture. Linux systems will require the Astro DMX capture, while Mac users will need to download the OA capture. And Android system owners will need to download a USB camera so that the SVBony SV105 camera works properly. Dimensions: 5.31 inches by 7.28 inches by 2.95 inches. Weight: 9.6 ounces. Records 2K at 30 frames per second. Resolution: 1920 by 1080. Focus: manual. This means that you can record 2K video with this device at high speed. It normally records at 30 frames per second at 1920 by 1080 resolution. Plus, this device has dark light compensation so that you can get greater clarity under low light conditions. Keep in mind that the camera will not work with finder scopes that do not have a removable eyepiece or an eyepiece smaller than 1.25 inches. It should be noted that according to the SVBony SV105 manual, it can connect to a 1.25 inch filter with a filter thread of M28 5 by 0.6. This camera does add filter threads along with a dust protection window. But what may draw some eyes is the inclusion of two USB connectors when only one seems necessary at first. If you live in an area where the electrical system is not fully developed, then two connections can help in observing the night sky on your device. The second USB connection is for adding power from the computer to the SVBony SV105 camera. This ensures that enough power exists from the computer to fully power the camera. However, if you are using an old version of a laptop, then the sub-USB included should work just as well. This points to the overall versatility of the SVBony SV105 telescope camera. Pros: in this SVBony SV105 review, there are several outstanding features associated with the SVBony SV105 telescope camera. Of the many features, the one that stands out is the convenience of the device itself. Ease of use. The SVBony SV105 camera is easy to use, attaching it to your telescope with ease so you can then connect to your computer. This allows you to see the image from the telescope on the computer screen. The sharpness of the image, depending on the telescope, is such that you can both see and record the stars in the night sky. Versatile. You can use up to 4 different systems when connecting the SVBony SV105. This means that you can have a Windows, Mac, Linux, or Android system and still use the device. This type of versatility is perfect when you have your computer or mobile device handy. It also makes transporting your telescope and equipment easier. Dark light compensator. One of the better features is the compensation for low light built into the camera. One of the biggest issues that many have when seeing or recording images off their computer screen is the low light nature of shooting at night. The compensation built into the SVBony SV105 telescope camera helps to overcome this issue, so you can properly view the night sky. Price. Last but not least is the price of the SVBony SV105, which currently lists for just under $60. When you compare similar devices, the price of this unit truly stands out. Designed for convenience, yet made of high-quality materials, the SVBony SV105 camera is quite the bargain. Cons. While there are many benefits to using the SVBony SV105 telescope camera, there are some limitations as well. It pays to know everything about this device before you decide if it is right for your needs. Telescope. As the SVBony SV105 manual indicates, this device is only going to be as good as the telescope that you use. It cannot enhance or sharpen images that come from your telescope. This means that if your telescope is not all that great, this camera is not going to make it any better. If anything, the resolution will only be worse depending on the lens and the conditions under which you shoot. Where you set up the telescope is a consideration as well. It is advised that you place the telescope as far away from city lights as possible. The light pollution caused by the lights will only lessen the chance of seeing the moon, planets, and stars when viewing at night. HD only. Although 4K is the new standard, the SVBony SV105 is strictly an HD device. While it does shoot in 2K, which is better than standard HD, it does not deliver 4K recording or resolution. This may or may not be an issue depending on how you are using the device. For example, if you are only interested in viewing the night sky and taking amateur photographs, then the SVBony SV105 telescope camera works well for your needs. However, if you are shooting professionally or wish to sell your photos or video, then you may want a 4K device. Lack of features. This is a camera that is designed for beginners. This means that it does not have many of the features expected for intermediate or advanced users. As a result, those who are already experienced in viewing the night sky may want a device that offers a more complete set of features. However, it should be noted that the SVBony SV105 manual and advertising states its purpose clearly, so there should be no confusion about who it is designed for. Verdict. Accounting for its limitations and purpose, the SVBony SV105 review concludes that this is a marvelous device for beginners who want to view the stars on their computer or mobile device. Its simple, robust design combined with the ease of use makes it the perfect first camera for viewing the night sky through your telescope. The SVBony SV105 telescope camera is not for those who are expecting advanced features or 4K resolution. As a starter camera, there are few that match this device on the market, especially in terms of the features to the price. But this is not the device you use to level up what you have already. In other words, you start your exploration of the stars with the SVBony SV105 camera, and then look for a more advanced device to level up what you're viewing. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and visit our website.